No. No is non. Non. Very nasal. Non. A lot of people would say non. Non. With the mouth open. Non. 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 Mais is literally but no. Doesn't really make sense in English. If you want to show your surprise, that's how you're going to say it. Mais non. Mais non. No way, that's impossible. Mais non, c'est pas possible. Mais non, not at all. Pas du tout. Pas du tout. Pas du tout, literally not at all. Pas du tout. Actually, you can add the same mais here. Mais non. Mais pas du tout. Mais pas du tout. I totally disagree. Not at all. No way. Absolutely not. Literally, absolument pas. Absolutely not. Absolument pas. Mais absolument pas. So, mais, really, if you want to insist on something, add mais at the beginning, and it's going to sound very French. Mais absolument pas. Mais non, mais pas du tout. It's out of the question. C'est out of, hors de, the question. Question. C'est hors de question. C'est hors de question. Or you can just skip the c'est and just say hors de question. Out of the question. A synonym would be il n'en est pas question. It means the same thing. Hors literally means out of. Il n'en est pas question. It's not a question. There is no question. So it's a bit different, but the meaning in French is the same. C'est hors de question. Il n'en est pas question. And it's no way. There is no way I'm letting you do that in that sense. So it's a negation for an action that you refuse. No way, il n'en est pas question, c'est hors de question. I will never do that. I think not. So I don't think so. I think not. So I wrote I think not because it's closer to the literal translation. Je pense que non. Je pense, I think, very practical to remember. Que non, that no. Je pense que non, I think not. I think so. Je pense que oui. Very easy, you just have to change non by oui. Oui, non, yes, no. Je pense que non, je pense que oui. If you want to change I think for I believe is je crois. Je crois que non, je crois que oui. I believe not. I believe so. Je pense que non, je pense que oui. Devocalize the E in je. Je pense que non, contracted to make it more natural. Je pense que non, je pense que oui. If you want to say maybe is peut-être. Peut-être, peut-être. Peut-être literally means could be, literally, could be. Peut-être. Yes, no, maybe. Oui, non, peut-être. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.